There is some people in this world. They don't have to go 9 to 5. Don't stay up late. Don't have to pay too much money. They don't seem to need any effort. The wealth accumulated over the generations already have a certain social status at a young age. Some people work hard, busy most of their life. Still no savings in the bank account. Especially this year, this phenomenon is becoming more and more obvious. Gap between rich and poor is growing. The heart of the poor, the poorer. The more leisurely, the richer. Easily squeeze into the global wealth rankings. Even many people are skipping grades faster and faster. Wealth doubles. Why is this so? In fact, these people are using a kind of power. Bring them the maximum output value by leveraging. And this power, I call it wealth leverage. The difference between ordinary people. In fact, it is. Do you know how to use this power? Leverage is the favorite way of borrowing power for the rich. Only when you use this wealth lever well, you can maximize your existing wealth. Today I will let you quickly absorb financial thinking in 10 minutes. Learn how rich people behave. No matter how busy you are, you can follow in the footsteps of the rich. Make sure you don't fall behind. We always hear people say that we need leverage to do things. So what is leverage? Leverage, simply put, is to use the smallest shifting. Leverage for maximum rewards. Such as cleaning the house. Big business model. Leverage thinking. Archimedes once said, "If you give me a fulcrum, I can move the whole earth." This explains the huge role of leverage in our daily lives. The core of wealth creation is to find the fulcrum in our lives. Create leverage. Build a system that will bring you wealth. These systems are mainly divided into 3. The first is labor leverage. Workforce leverage. Through the use of social labor resources, double what you can do. Like starting a business. You need to hire staff. You need to form a team. Let them provide you with excess labor resources. It's just about using limited time. Create more valuable things. Labor leverage is the most versatile. But it is also the most easily overlooked power. The secret behind the leveraging of the workforce is the mastery of time. Why do you say that? Each of us only has 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you try, you can't give yourself 25 hours. But if we use reasonable leverage, turn your 1 hour into 1,000 hours. Even 10,000 hours. Our 24 hours become 240,000 hours. Labor leverage. By borrowing other people's labor to complete a task that was originally time-consuming. The boss is only responsible for supervising. Not even regulated. Just have a meeting to make sure things go smoothly. Someone said, "My boss is so lazy. Why do you earn so much?" "I'm so busy that I don't have time to eat." "Why take so little money?" In fact, the key to this is that the boss established the system of the whole company. And the company's system is his leverage. Let's say a meeting. He has meetings with the whole company. Then he paid only those hours. But the whole company has to follow the instructions of the meeting. Busy all week. 2 hours. It will be enlarged into a week for everyone. So his time is really valuable. Then why can't he get more money? Only those who deeply understand that time is valuable only know how to use labor leverage. But these people don't have to be bosses. We can see that some high-income groups will have such a perception. The usual work is already busy. I only have time off on Sundays. That's to save time. Hire a cleaning lady. Tidy up your house. To learn other skills. Or run a side business. Bring in more revenue. The key to workforce leverage. It's about whether you can. Things not worth your time to do. Let someone else do it for you. Help you free up excess labor. Do the things that are more important to you. Make your time more valuable. A lot of people think they just work hard. Put all your time into work. Equal returns. But no matter how hard you try, he's just a pair of hands. No matter how much you pay, only 24 hours. So effort is never proportional to reward. Want to be rich? Not to be diligent, but to know how to build leverage. Let someone else do it for you. Use social resources to help you. If you can pass some leverage, make one's own efforts. Duplicate as many efforts. Then you have a chance. Make someone else's money a day for a month. Even a year's money. Live a lifetime as someone else's. Second, financial leverage. This is leveraging money to leverage bigger money. Like bank or investor money. Make money for yourself. Financial leverage is simply a multiplier. Anyone use this multiplier can magnify the amount of money